Hello, and I would like to show you this video. If you own a pet, a dog, a cat, an Oriental rug, and you already try all the cleaning product in the market, Febreze, Nature Miracle, Estee Lauder, Chanel 5, and even a professional Oriental rug cleaner cannot give you the result that you're looking for, removing the urine odor completely, totally. You want to smell wool or silk. You don't want to smell no artificial odor, such as vanilla deodorize. Then later, it will blend with the urine odor and it will raise as a pee-pee vanilla. You want to remove the urine odor and you don't know what to do. You're having a beautiful Oriental rug, then it costs you $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 and even more. You're not going to give the dogs or your cats away. Please, let me show you a cleaning process that I invented specifically to remove urine odor from fine Oriental rug. Come with me to the warehouse and listen how the XpetPee machine cleaned the Oriental rug through. Take a look at this 10 by 13 and a half beautiful rug. Look to me like as a Febreze. Beautiful piece of rug shipped to me all the way from Tennessee, Franklin, Tennessee. Beautiful piece of rug. Clean. No stain, no spot, nothing. But it smell. Unpleasant smell from chemicals and dog urine odor. Oriental rug with urine odor must be cleaned through the rug to flush out all the urine crystal that's hiding deep inside the foundation where is all the nuts and the cotton of the rug. This area cannot be reached not by the scrubber that causes a big damage to the rug, or the centrifuge machine, or the dust buster. Any carpet cleaner equipment cannot reach the area, then it's deep inside the foundation of the rug. Only when you clean the Oriental rug through the rug with a cleaning product that is odor free, it means it will never deposit unpleasant smell into the fiber. And this is the key issue to remove the urine odor. Because upon delivery, I ask every one of my customer, please put your nose on the clean rug, whatever you want. Absolutely no trace of any chemical, deodorizer, or pee-pee. How I know when the rug is clean? When the tube is clear. I know I complete the cleaning process. I brush the rug by hand. This is my exercise for today. And then let the rug dry on the floor for the next 12 hours. After the rug almost dry, I can hang the rug for the next 48 hours to dry completely with the Dead Sea cleaner. Now the rug is dry and ready to go back to the customer around the globe. I fold the rug in a special way. UPS come over to the warehouse every day and pick up the Oriental rug that will go back to the customer home. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Simply text me the pictures of the rug, and I'll be glad to provide you all the details. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.
My dog peed on the carpet.